Hello, I'm Alan from Enduro Engineering, and today we're going to show you the proper way to pressure wash your motorcycle so that you can get it good and clean, but yet not damage any other items that you don't want to get wet. First thing we're going to do is pull off the airbox cover. And we're going to want to put a towel, a rag, or something over the air filter so that we don't, with the high pressure, blow any water through the filter and into the intake track. Next, we're going to take and put some duct tape or an actual silencer plug over the end of the silencer so that it won't get any water down in the silencer itself. We don't want to saturate the packing because that will take and severely distinguish its life. And your bike will start getting loud and you won't understand why. It's just because the packing got all wet, and then when it dried out, it deteriorated. Now we've got everything covered that needs to, so we can take a high pressure washer with no real damage. The only thing that we won't do is point it directly at the edges of the wheels so that you don't blow any water past the seals on the wheel bearings. That would deteriorate the life of those. Okay, after we've gotten the big chunks off, I'm going to use some type of cycle wash, 409, simple green, any type of cleaner will do. We'll just take and spray this all down and let it soak in for a minute. Get a little suds going. It'll help brighten up the plastic. Get the shine back in the aluminum wheels. Once we got it scrubbed up to our liking, we're going to give it another rinse. Once we have it all cleaned up, we'll use some kind of lubricant, some chain wax, chain lube, WD-40, whatever you have. Spray it on the inside and the outside of the chain so it gets the water out of the center of the links. Won't rust up on you. Then we can pull the tape off the silencer and remove our cloth from the air filter. Then we're going to want to start and warm it up a little bit so that any water that's got in around close to any seals or close to anything, well, everything will kind of dry out real nice real quickly. No different if you went through a creek or anything else when you're riding the bike, and once you come out to the other side, it'll dry itself all up. Now we're all good there. Just like in your car, want to do a final polish job. Easier to do your maintenance.